painting neatly is always a challenge, especially if you're painting something like cabinet doors, like Joe's handling here.
Well, these doors are divided glass, which are particularly difficult to paint because obviously you want to keep the paint off the glass because it makes cleanup a real hassle. So often you'll see people just use masking tape, but I found an easier way because with tape, you have to get it right up against the edge of the wood, and once you put it in place, it's hard to maneuver it because, of course, it's really sticky. So what I've found is you just use strips of paper. Here you see, this is just copy paper I took out of the printer over at the computer, and I cut them to size, some longer ones and some shorter ones. And you just get them a little bit wet. They don't have to be too soaking wet. Just pull off the water, and you'll see they stick. Just the water itself will hold it in place. And I cut this just the right width. Then you just push it up, and you get another one, do it on the bottom. And again, it's a lot easier if you get into position if you squeeze out some of the water.
And I've seen people try to just not use anything and paint around there and try to be real patient, but you end up spending a lot of time cleaning the glass after it's all over with.
Yeah, you can be real patient, but you're also real messy, and then you have to come back and clean it up. So
it's a great tip, Joe.
This works really well. And I'll just show you that when you come back with a dry brush, you just smooth it out. And then you add one more there. Then when you go to paint, the paint will stay on the paper, and then you can just peel it right off.